Welcome to the Digital Circular Collaboration Tool, which is a part of the makerspace.com platform. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the registration process. First of all, click on the Login button. Then, click Sign Up. The platform will forward you to the registration form. Fill in information about yourself, your name and surname, email, and password. Specify your background. For example, I'm a maker and designer. Enter the country you are from. When you're done, simply click Sign Up. Congratulations, the registration part is done. Now, let's set up your profile. Head to the Profile menu and click Advanced Profile. Specify if you are a seller or buyer or both. You can choose if you are self-employed or an establishment. If you are neither, leave this part empty. Fill in your personal code or registration number and company name, as it will help to identify you if you decide to sell something. Choose your birth date and fill in your address. Don't forget to press Confirm. Next, head to the Profile menu and click Edit Profile. Feel free to upload your profile picture. We recommend to fill in info about yourself so other users know what you're up to. Click Save and head to the Address section. This part will be more relevant for artists and product sellers. In order for others to see your profile in the platform's homepage, click the relevant checkbox. Now, let's look on how to add information about your makerspace in the platform. This part will be relevant for those who represents makerspaces. Head to the Makerspace section above. Press the button New Makerspace. Now just simply enter all the information necessary. Your makerspace logo, name of the makerspace, description, and the rest of it. Click Post. Congratulations! Your makerspace is published. Thank you for staying with me. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to add products to your shop. Have a great day! Bye!